Welcome to another YouTube video with Englease. Today we are going to learn some hacks that will help you improve your communication skills. Sometimes when you are learning a new language, you can learn the structure and reuse this structure, but just replacing some words and kind of play with that structure and learn how to say other sentences by just learning one sentence, and it will be very easy for you this way. Let me give you an example. I love chocolate. Now, if I replace the word chocolate, I can do like 20 million other sentences. For example, I love Paris. I love you. I love cheese. I love cake. I love my brother. I love math. I love English. I love the sun. I love the beach. And I love Englease. So, if you learn the sentence, I love chocolate, it will help you to write a million other sentences by just replacing chocolate with something else or even someone. Now, another way of changing the sentence is by changing the tense, the verb tense. For example, if I say, I love chocolate, I can also say, I loved chocolate in the past, or I will love chocolate in the future, or I used to love chocolate. I am loving this chocolate cake. So the next time you learn a new structure in English, don't forget to do this. Just play around with the words, with the tense, and you will end up with a lot more sentences than only just one sentence that you just learned. This will help you improve your vocabulary and your communication skills. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English videos. If you want to know your English level, then you should start by taking a free assessment test to know what you can improve to be more fluent in English. I hope to see you very soon.